Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft sound not working easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here run, click on it, and now once you're here, just type here percent updata percent and click OK. And after that you will find your Minecraft folder. All you have to do, just if you don't want to lose your data, just copy these two files, saves and resource box. Now just move it into your desktop, and now just go back and delete this folder, and after that open your Minecraft launcher. Now just log in into your account, and now all you have to do, just go back to this folder, and now just move those two files again, those two folders, to Minecraft folder, and that's it. Now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.